Today we're diving into an exciting and innovative niche, AI-powered baby fashion runway videos. These visually stunning creations have captured attention effortlessly, becoming a powerful tool for creators looking to go viral. Channels like Baby Viral Trend have proven this niche's potential, amassing over 598,000 subscribers with just 88 videos and nearly 168 million views. Can you imagine that? This channel was created on May 12, 2024. In terms of earnings, this channel makes between $6,900 and $110,100 monthly, showcasing adorable AI-generated baby fashion content. Incredible, right? Now let's take a look at another channel called Fashion Showtime, amassing over 238,000 subscribers with 258 videos and nearly 168 million views. This channel was created on September 13, 2024. In terms of earnings, it makes between $17,000 and $274,000 monthly, showcasing adorable AI-generated baby fashion content. It's really amazing. Another channel is Little Classics. This particular channel also deals with viral baby content, having up to 388,000 subscribers, despite being created on August 19, 2024. Their uploads is around 387, earning up to $35,000 monthly. Lastly, there's Eva Siraj Vlog. This channel was created on May 10, 2023, and has over 46,000 subscribers with 269 uploads, making over $23,000 monthly with nothing less than 12 million views. Can you imagine that? But don't let those numbers intimidate you. If they can do it, so can you, and potentially even better. Lest I forget, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up as we continue to bring you amazing videos like this. If you would like to learn in detail the A to Z of YouTube automation, I have created a course just for you. Please visit the link in my description and sign up for a small token. Also, join the Flow Wealth community from the link in the description and be part of like-minded creators who are doing amazing in this area. Now, let's move on. This AI-powered baby fashion runway videos niche is still fresh, largely untapped, and bursting with opportunities for creators who want to stand out. Think about it. You're stepping into a space where the competition is minimal, but the rewards are massive. Imagine creating your own AI-generated videos of a baby walking gracefully on a runway, captivating audiences on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. The potential to go viral is immense. This isn't just a fleeting trend. This niche gives creators a unique platform to showcase their imagination, transform ideas into visually stunning content, and connect with audiences worldwide. And the earning opportunities are extraordinary, from YouTube's partner program and TikTok's creator fund to brand sponsorships and selling digital assets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own AI-powered runway masterpiece. Trust me, it's simpler than you think. The first step in creating an AI-powered baby fashion runway video is crafting a detailed prompt. For this, we'll use ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI tools available. ChatGPT simplifies complex tasks and allows you to focus on creativity. So, what should your prompt look like? Let's create one together. Here's an example. Create a full image of a cute baby girl dressed in a shimmering gold gown with intricate details, adorned with a sparkling tiara. The doll walks beautifully on a runway with confidence in a fashion show. Notice how detailed the prompt is. The more specific your description, the better your results. For this tutorial, we're going to need more than a prompt. Once you have your prompts ready, input them into a compatible AI text-to-image tool to generate the baby doll image. I will be using Piclumen AI to generate my pictures. Go to Google and search for Piclumen AI. Register with your email and you'll see a page like this. Click on Create. Set the model to flux. Select the number of images you want to generate and input your first prompt. Click on Generate and wait for the result. Repeat this process until you have all the images you need. Now that you have your baby girl images, it's time to bring them to life. For this, we'll use Kling AI. This tool simplifies the animation process and helps transform your still images into captivating videos. Open your browser and search for Kling AI. Click on the first result to visit their official website. Sign in to access free credits and select the AI videos option. Next, switch the model to Kling 1.5 for optimal results and select 9:16 for TikTok or YouTube Reels. Upload each of the baby doll images one by one. And use motion prompts to animate them walking down the runway. For example, generate a video of the baby doll walking gracefully down a runway under bright spotlights with an audience clapping in the background. Once you've entered the motion prompt, hit Generate. Repeat this process for each outfit to create a series of animated clips. Take a moment to admire your creations. It's amazing to see an idea come to life so vividly, isn't it? Now that you have all your animated clips, it's time to edit them together using CapCut. This tool is user-friendly and perfect for adding professional touches to your video. Open CapCut and click on Create Project. Click Import to upload all your animated clips. When you have all your clips imported, drag them to the timeline and arrange them in the desired order. To transition between scenes smoothly, use fade effects or other creative transitions available in CapCut. To do that, go to your effect panel, click on Transitions and search for the fade effect. Apply it between the clips to enhance smooth transitioning. For example, you can fade from the floral runway to the evening setting or use a zoom-in effect for a dramatic scene change. These transitions will give your video a polished and cohesive look. No runway video is complete without music. If you are uploading this on YouTube, ensure the music is copyright-free. You can also use trending sounds available on YouTube Shorts or TikTok pages depending on the platform you are uploading this on. For your choice of music, choose an upbeat track that matches the elegance and charm of your baby doll runway. Sync the music with the doll's movements and scene transitions to create a seamless flow. You can also add sound effects like camera clicks or applause to make the runway atmosphere more immersive. To do this, select the area on your timeline where you want to add sound effects and click on Effect, then Sound Effect. Search for the effect and click Play to be sure it is what you are looking for. Select your desired effect by clicking the plus button or dragging it to the timeline. Once you've edited all scenes, transitions, and audio, review the entire video to ensure everything flows naturally. Make final adjustments to the timing or effects if needed. When you're satisfied, export the video in high resolution to showcase your masterpiece in the best quality. To do that, go to the top right corner of your CapCut page and select Export. This will take you to the Export Options page. Name your video, select H.265 for standard video compression, select 1080p for good resolution and a 60 FPS frame rate, and ensure audio is checked. Then select Export. Let's take a moment to admire the final result. Wow, it's absolutely stunning. The baby doll walks down the runway with elegance and confidence, transitioning between beautifully crafted scenes that captivate viewers with every step. Imagine how your audience will react when they see it. The combination of creativity, AI, and a touch of personalization makes these videos irresistible. At this time, it would be lovely if you subscribe to this channel and gave this video a thumbs up to appreciate our little effort to bring you more resourceful videos in the future. You are amazing. With the techniques we've covered today, you're now ready to create your own multi-scene AI-powered baby doll runway videos. This niche offers endless possibilities for creativity and growth. Don't hesitate. Start creating today and see where your imagination takes you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.